Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Economies of scale can be tricky to define correctly, but we will master this concept right now with a very fast and easy breakdown. First, we must remember that economies of scale specifically describe what happens to a firm's costs in the long run as they increase their total production levels over time. Boom! This phenomenon occurs when the long-run average total cost decreases as the quantity of output rises, allowing the firm to become much more efficient as it grows larger. You got this. While other costs might change, only the decreasing long-run average total cost correctly defines this specific economic scale. That makes option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps. Let's go!